Hello everyone, this is Aida Golami from Agrimet Research Company, and today I'm going to teach you how to create a checkbox in Excel. So as you can see here, I have some text. I have a checklist that I want to have the checkbox here to tick them whenever they're done, etc. So what I will do is that first I should have the developer tab in here. So for enabling developer tab, I just go to file, more, options, and then in here you can see the customize ribbon. So now here you can see that developer is unchecked. So I will check it and click OK. And as soon as you will click OK, you can see that developer tab is shown in here. Now for putting the checklist, I go to insert option as shown here and click checkbox form control. So I click on that and you can see that my cursor is shown like a positive sign. I click on the cell and you can see that the checkbox is created. Now it is not really it's not in its right place, so I will just remove it to here, and also I can make it fit here. Now for the text, okay, as you select the text, you can just edit it, and you can see that I could delete all the text that it had, and also I can edit text. Now I can write anything here. I can say check, for example, or I can delete it. And for the other cells, you just want to move your mouse into the right down of the cell, and as this sign appears, you just want to click and copy the checklist to the checkbox to other cells, and you can see that you can check or uncheck it as you want. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.